What's happening? So in this video, I'm going to share with you my #1 video in terms of AdSense revenue. Actually, I'm going to show you my top 2 because it's kind of interesting, and you'll see why when I get to those, because one of those videos earned almost twice as many views but less money than the other video. So you'll see what I mean and understand why here in a minute. But I think this video is important for people that are interested in earning money with AdSense revenue, because you're going to see how many views it takes to generate that type of income. And even though you're going to see in this video that it amounts to thousands of dollars, you're going to also see how many views it took to generate that type of AdSense revenue. And unfortunately, getting views is what most people starting out on YouTube, or even being on YouTube for a long time, struggle with. They cannot get the amount of views they want to get. And so if you're one of those people that struggle getting views or struggle even growing your channel, I still have my video series available. I'll put a link in the description where not only where I show you how I'm able to generate views by getting my videos ranked and get them ranked in the suggested results, I also show you how to get subscribers. And if you watch this video right here, you'll see that I took this channel from 0 to over 1,000 subscribers in less than a month using these methods that I share in this video series. And not only that, I show you how I personally monetize my YouTube videos and my channels, because I have multiple channels, to earn me automated income daily, just like this. And you don't even have to be a partner to do this. And if you happen to come over here to the course page and you scroll down, you're going to actually see where other YouTubers that went through this course copied me by watching over my shoulder and set these income streams up for themselves right here through YouTube. And they're also growing their channels and sharing their results right here. And they even have people reporting that they've generated over $2,000 in their first month after going through this video series. So again, that link is in the description. All right, so let's check out these 2 videos that have earned me the most AdSense revenue. So actually this one is the second most, and this is my video that I think I've got more views than any other video of mine. It's got over 500,000 views. We'll look at that in detail here in a second, but let's flip this to lifetime and we're gonna see how much this has generated me since I posted it. And so you can see right here, we had 549,000 views, so over 500,000 views, and it's generated me $1,191. Let's go ahead and expand this so it's easier to see. And so there it is, a little bit bigger for you. And so we look here, that one of the top days, actually the top day for this video, was only $8.32. And so unfortunately, it takes a lot of views to generate AdSense income. When we look at my next video here, I'm going to show you in a second, you're going to see it's a little bit more. But again, I just want to illustrate how many views you have to generate income with AdSense. And so that's why I chose a long time ago to implement other monetization methods with my YouTube videos and with my channels, so that I can earn multiple times that I can with just AdSense. All right, so now let's look at my other video. And this video is actually the #1 AdSense earner for me. And this one right here, actually let's flip this over to lifetime just as we did before. And let's look at some numbers. So 279,000, so about half of what the other video did in terms of views. But then if we look at its income, and we'll expand this again like we did the other one, we're gonna find that it generated about $500 more AdSense income than the previous video. Its biggest day was $12.90. So even though this is my #1 video, the biggest it ever generated me in one day was $12.90. But now, why did this video that received about half the amount of views earn that much more money? Well, here's the reason. If we go back to this video, the topic of it is how to get subscribers. If we go to this video, the topic is how to make money. So these videos are in 2 different niches. One is how to grow on YouTube. The other is how to make money. And making money is one of the top paying AdSense revenue niches. So again, the big takeaway here is just noticing how many views you have to generate. So almost 1 million views for me to generate a few $1,000s here, or about $2,700 here in AdSense revenue over the span of about a year or more, just with these 2 videos. Now mind you, I have hundreds of videos, but again, you can generate multiple times that if you monetize your videos the way I do. So I hope sharing this information with you is helpful so you can see what to expect in terms of YouTube AdSense revenue. Stay tuned because I have lots more to come. And with that, I'm going to wrap this video up and I will see you in the next.